Welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. After a few videos, you probably understood that I'm Italian. But I've been living in UK for the past 10 years, and if there is something that I really love about UK, is a nice full English. I do also love pizza. What about if we combine the two things together? Facciamolo. So get your oven ready, maximum of the temperature, and put a tray at the bottom of the oven. Semolina flour, sprinkle that on the bench. This is a 80% hydration, so please make sure this video reach 1000 views, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. We can sprinkle some semolina at the top. Push down everywhere. With our knuckles, we're gonna stretch it. Until we reach pretty much this size. Keep the ugly part of the dough face up, because now we're gonna create a pizza sandwich. Some olive oil in the middle, fold the dough in half. After 4 minutes in the oven, set them aside on a rack. Portobello mushroom, we need to remove the skin. Don't throw them away, they're great for stocks. Max temperature, drizzle of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, let's go with the mushroom in. Season the mushroom straight away. We really want to sweat the mushroom off and roast them off as much as possible. After a few minutes, we're gonna put the mushroom on a side, grab our sausages. The sausage will release all the fat, and the mushroom will absorb all the chooch. Don't do this at home. We will season the tomatoes a little bit. Now we can place the sausage on the mushrooms. We're gonna carry on cooking at the same temperature for about 5 minutes. Take the mushroom and put into a separate tray. Some more olive oil, and we're gonna place our black pudding in. We wanna cook the black pudding to a medium-low heat, because we really wanna get a crispy black pudding. In the same pan, we're gonna place some bacon. Being Italian, I cannot forget.
Okay.
I cannot forget to use some rosemary. Once our black pudding looks nice and crispy, we're gonna place the black pudding on the sides, and we're gonna remove our rosemary as well. Once the bacon is almost fully cooked, place the bacon in the same tray of the sausages. Put this in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Grab an onion. In the same pan, we're gonna place the onion, I know many people will ask, hang on, we don't really put onion in the full English.
I don't give a tiny rat's ass.
And now that's my personal touch. We're gonna crumble the crispy black pudding. And combine the flavors together. American mustards, some ketchup, and a splash of water. And we're gonna emulsify everything together. That is exactly what we want. Almost like a paste. That will be the base of our pizza sandwich. Next step, we're gonna heat it up our beans, Dino style. Drizzle of olive oil, little bit of garlic, tiny bit of rosemary, and some chili flakes. Spicy. We're gonna fry off all the ingredients for a little bit. Siendo casiendo. That is exactly what we want. The last thing you need to do is make a lovely fried egg. I personally start on a very low heat, quite a lot of olive oil, get some olive oil in. When the pan is literally barely warm, I'm gonna go in with the eggs. Put the temperature up just a little bit and slowly we're gonna cook the eggs. Now we can put the temperature up a little bit. Not that much. Wow, 510 frate. Drizzle some olive oil on top of the eggs. Now to see if they're ready, shake the pan. If the yolk stays in place, turn the heat off and leave the heat of the pan to keep cooking the eggs. It's time to stuff the bad boy. We're gonna get our black pudding and onion mix, spread that at the base, go with mushrooms, put the sandwich back into the oven to crisp up the edges. After 4 minutes in the oven, finish up with some beans. Oh, look at that. La faccio un cazzo, ma you wanna try?
Yep.
Chuch? Yeah, I said try, not finish it up.
After we try in the UK, that's the dog's bollocks.
That's a dog's bollocks.
Yep.
Sam.